I'm Dominique.
And I'm Carlos.
And welcome back to Two Modern Vegans.
So we're so excited to finally be back. Listen, I know you guys are disappointed in us. It's been a while. I understand. But we had our daughter. We had a child.
And life happened. But we're back and we are so happy to be back for the new year. We have so much in store for you guys. Not only are we going to be doing recipes like we always, we've been doing, actually thinking about vlogging a little bit.
Yeah, so for 2020, we're going to have some vlogs. We're going to have you guys get to know us a little bit better because honestly, we haven't really shared much about us personally. Just thank you to all the subscribers. I would really appreciate the love and the support. And if you haven't, just take a second to subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified every time we upload a new video. All right, so today we're going to be making another amazing recipe. These nachos are the most banging nachos. All right, guys, let's get into this video and here are the ingredients that you're going to need.
Alright guys, so we're going to start out with 2 small tomatoes and we're going to finely dice them. Next, we're going to finely dice a half of a small red onion also. Using 2 cloves of garlic, we're going to finely dice that and we're going to add it to our bowl for our salsa. And we're going to go ahead with the 2 tablespoons of cilantro and do the same. I'm going to use half of a lime and I'm going to squeeze the juice onto the salsa. Next, I'm going to add a pinch of sea salt and a pinch of black pepper, and then I'm going to stir that up together and I'm going to place it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use it. We're going to add 1 cup of cashews, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons nutritional yeast, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 cup of water, and we're going to mix that up in our high-speed blender and we're going to place that in a little squeezy bottle and that's going to be our sour cream. Next, we're going to start shredding our jackfruit, and basically I'm going to just discard of the hard part and the seed in the middle, and I'm just going to use the stringy part of the jackfruit. So you're just going to do that until you're completed and you used all the jackfruit in the We're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, or you can use water. And once that heats up, we're going to add our jackfruit to the pan. And we're just going to stir that up. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of jerk paste. And we used our own jerk paste that we made. And the recipe for that is in the bio below. If you use the store-bought jerk sauce, you may want to use less because theirs tend to be a little salty and the flavor is really strong. Next, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a half a teaspoon of better than bouillon, no chicken base, and we're going to stir that up. And we're going to add a bit of water, about 1/4 of a cup, and we're going to bring that to a little boil. And once the water evaporates, it's pretty much done. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of cashews to our blender. And of course, all the cashews that we use for this recipe, it has been soaked overnight. Next, you're going to add 1 red bell pepper. You're going to add 1 cup of plant-based milk of your choice and make sure that it's unsweetened. We're also going to add 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of tapioca starch, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, 5 pickled jalapenos, and 3 tablespoons of the juice from the bottle. And we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. And this is basically our cheese sauce. You can heat it up on the stove, or if you have the option in your blender, you can heat it up in the blender like we did. So we made a basic guacamole. We just used 1 avocado and we spooned it into a bowl. And we added 2 tablespoons of cilantro, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and the juice of a half a lime. And I basically just mashed it with a fork, and that's really it. It's really simple, really quick and easy. So now we're gonna just build our nachos, and you can use your favorite tortilla chips, and then you're gonna go ahead and top it with the nacho cheese sauce. Put a bit of the jackfruit on top. We're gonna add in some guacamole, a bit of our salsa, and to top it off, of course, we used our sour cream. And these nachos are so good, you guys. We hope you enjoy it as much as we did. Alright guys, well we hope that you enjoyed the recipe. We hope it was easy to follow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share this video with all your friends and family. And give us some feedback, okay? Let us know how the recipe turned out. Send us pictures, tag us in your post. We love to hear from you guys.
Until next time, see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.